mango pineapple smoothie. In this smoothie recipe, you will learn how to make a mango pineapple smoothie, which is rich in vitamins. You can use fresh fruit or frozen fruit according to the availability of your vegetables or your fruit. So let's start making our smoothie after this introduction. I love making smoothie for myself and my family. It's an healthy pineapple mango vitamin C booster. So let's just start making our smoothie. As I said, I already have my fresh pineapple. I'm using fresh fruits to make my smoothie. So I'm going to add my fresh pineapple into my blender jar. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my fresh mango into my blender jar. But before that, let's cut our mango into smaller size. You can use cotton bud to do this, but I really love doing my things in a unique way, in a different way. So I'm going to cut it into a smaller side. You're going to play the bar before you do this. So this is the outcome after everything, after I peel it and put it in a smaller cut. It's a fresh fruit. You can as well use frozen fruit to make your smoothie. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my fresh mango into my blender jar. Then I'll go ahead and add my fresh milk. You can as well use almond milk to make your smoothie, but I'm using fresh milk. You can go ahead and add ice cube, but I'm going to leave that out since my milk is really cold. So I'm just going ahead and blend my smoothie. So you're going to blend this until it's well mixed. Blend until the fruits are well mixed and well smooth. So this is how we are going to blend our smoothie until all the fruits are well blended and well mixed. Pineapple mango vitamin C boosted smoothie. This is very rich and is very high in vitamins, as I said earlier, and is very healthy. This is an healthy smoothie recipe. You are going to love it and you are going to enjoy this. I really love making smoothie, and that's why I love to share with you this smoothie recipe. As I said, you are going to blend until the fruits are well mixed and well smooth. So it's ready. So I'm going to add it into my glass cup and to enjoy my smoothie recipe. If you've not liked, please do not forget to hit the like button on this video, and remember to share whatever you think about this recipe in the comment section. And this is our ingredients I use in preparing our smoothie: fresh pineapple and fresh mango. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel to see more of our smoothie recipe and more of our delicious recipe. I have so many recipes that you are going to love. I have strawberry and banana smoothie. You can as well check that out. I'm going to put all that in the description below and the link below. So thanks so much for watching this my smoothie recipe. Do not forget to leave your questions in the comment section and let me know what you think about this smoothie recipe. There's so many smoothie recipes to come, and there's so many Olayemi cooking recipe that are yet to come. If you've not watched them, I'm going to put all that in the description as well. I post new video weekly and Mondays. So thanks so much for watching this. I guess I will see you in my next recipe. Please be safe out there. Do not forget to let me know what you think about this smoothie after you try it.